Welcome to Scythe. Today we'll be providing a general safety overview for using Scythe Mode with M.52. Before using Scythe Mode, you should be comfortable using the machine in manual modes and be aware of the general safety features that are covered in our other videos and in the operator manual. There are a few steps you need to take before you set M.52 on a task within any mode zone. These steps should be done every time, regardless of if it is the first or if it's the 50th time running that task. Make sure there are no people or pets within the mode zone or nearby. Do not set M.52 on a task where people may be on the ground, where there could be unattended children or off-leash pets, unless you can clear them from the area and appropriate steps have been taken to ensure they cannot enter the mowing area while the machine is in Scythe mode. Make sure there are no-go zones for hazards and obstacles that cannot be removed from the mow zone, or that the mow zone was drawn to exclude any hazards and obstacles. This includes any holes or extreme depressions in the turf, wet or muddy areas, trees, stumps, signposts, manhole covers, or other hazards. Ensuring no-go zones are created and in place is the duty of every operator before they run a task, even if they did not create the mow zone or even if they have previously run a task on that same mow zone. No-go zones that are within the area of your mow zone are viewable on your control panel display and can be viewed with more detail within your mobile app. Make sure the mow zone is clear of any movable obstacles such as trash, sticks, rocks, and other debris. Make sure the boundaries of the mow zone are the appropriate distance from obstacles. Mow zone boundaries should be at least one machine width away from hazards and obstacles generally. At least two mower widths should be given to hazards when the mow zone's boundary is on a slope, near water, or near a drop-off like a curb or retaining wall. Make sure you have sufficient light by waiting until at least 10 minutes after sunrise and stopping at least 10 minutes before sunset. Low light conditions interfere with the machine's ability to operate safely. Make sure all 8 cameras are clean, clear, and dry. Failure to do so may result in unsafe operating conditions. Make sure the terrain and weather conditions are appropriate for operation. Damp, raining, or misty conditions will affect machine traction in an unsafe manner. Foggy, rainy, or misty conditions may obscure the camera during the task, which may cause unsafe operation. Slopes over 15 degrees should not be included within the mow zone. Operation on excessive slopes is unsafe. Test the stop button on your remote stop to confirm M.52 is connected and receiving signal. Once you have done your pre-task check, there are a few things you need to do during the task for continued safety. Keep the machine within your line of sight at all times. Never leave a machine in Scythe mode unsupervised. Keep the remote stop with you at all times, with the stop button within easy reach. Never leave the remote stop on the machine or set it aside elsewhere. This is unsafe. Continue to monitor for people and pets in the mow zone as the task is running. Be sure to use the stop and pause buttons as appropriate when needed. The pause button is helpful when you need to quickly perform some other nearby activity, such as double checking the mow zone or taking your attention away from the mower momentarily to talk to another person. The stop button should be used when you or anyone else approach the machine. Confirm the machine is stopped as a result of the stop button before you approach. The light bar should be solid red. Turn the machine off anytime you need to lay down near the machine or put your hands or arms under the deck. Never use 2 M.52s or any other autonomous equipment within the same mow zone at the same time. This could cause a collision. You now have an overview of some of the steps that you need to take to operate M.52 safely in Scythe mode. Let's go get mow done.